What?
What did you say?
I said sit tight.
Why?
Well, you were going about 10 over the speed limit there back there.
Who am I talking to?
Officer Montank.
Do I know you?
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Hold on a second.
You want to turn off the car for me?
No, I won't. Hold on a second. Do you know who Sam Smith is?
I do.
I would have you call him now, or let me go
I'm going to call him.
home. Okay? Or I will put Kurt Pritchett on your ass.
What?
What do you want to do? Let me go?
No, I'm not going to let you go.
Yes, you are. Sir, you have no choice.
Now, why don't you go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me?
Cuff him.
Come on, get out. Face away from me.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Error 230!
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Shots fired! Show your hands! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Put your hands out!
Show me your hands!
The gun's right by his hand, so
Okay.
any movement.
Montank.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm just watching that hand.
Okay.
What's going on, guys?
Gun's right by his
The
hand.
gun's right by his hand.
Okay. Stand by. Stand by.
Yep.
Stand by. Stand by.
Yep.
Click.
You guys want to move up? I'm good.
Yeah. Hold. We got more backup coming. We're just gonna hang. He's right here. The gun is in his hand. He's right here. Okay. You're good. Hey guys.
Fine. I was just getting off. I was just getting back.
You're all right.
You're fine.
He's got a gun in his hand. He's hanging out over here.
On top of his hand.
It's kind of on top of his hand.
Yeah.
Let's
I don't know. How do we want to do this? Let's talk about this, guys.
those got covered. We need to go up and get the gun. I'm gonna go up. Right there.
Okay.
Yep, we're going up.
Do not. Okay. Going up. Going up.
I'm right behind you, Montank.
Yep.
I got you, Clegg.
There you go. You want to pull him out?
That's good.
Hold on. You kick that further away.